Hello? Is this thing on? Let's see. Oh, hey guys, my name's Tyler, and I am 3 years old. Actually, I think I'm 2, but I'm not sure. So anyway, I wanted to come on the video to tell you about my new sister, Kaylee. Kaylee is 12. I don't know. She's a baby, and I'm a big boy. And I drew her this pretty unicorn for her room. And I'm going to show you her whole room. So just keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe because I'm a cute baby, and you should subscribe because I'm cute. Anyways, I'll see you in a few. Bye, guys.
Hi everyone, and welcome to a nursery tour. I created this nursery in collaboration with Raiinbowbitez here on YouTube, and I'll have her channel linked below so you can go check out her nursery. We made baby outfits in our last video, so definitely check those out as well. So we had to make a nursery to go with the outfits. So this is what my nursery looks like. It is super small, but I wanted it to be simple and something that was easy to make. This is all made out of a cereal box, as you can see. I didn't cover the outside, but I can always do so. I would recommend stabilizing this wall with stronger cardboard because it is kind of leaning a little bit. But everything in this room I already had, or I purchased like on Wish. So this crib I purchased on Wish, and I did make the little elephant bedding that's inside. The little pitcher I created using baby shower favors that I picked up at Dollar Tree and skinny sticks that I painted. And for the glass, it's just packaging from like Barbie dolls. And I created a little changing table out of paper tubes and cardboard and paper. And then for the rug, I actually had another one in mind, but I couldn't find my fabric. So I just threw together this little rug out of just scrapbook paper. And then I found these little blocks at Dollar Tree, and I just added a little zoom on top. And there's this little cute bunny that I made for Easter. So it's very, very simple, and I really like it. I also like this K here for Kaylee. It's adorable, and you can always add more to it and make it bigger, but I'll include some more pictures of the nursery. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and go check out Raiinbowbitez's video linked below.